Hello everyone, I am Scott Sims from Watco. Welcome to Plumbing Tips. Today I'm going to review the IdealLav. IdealLav is available in two versions, the residential version and the commercial version for public restrooms that does not include a stopper. So what makes these products so valuable and unique? The most compelling feature of the IdealLav is the removable grid strainer. The grid strainer is easily replaceable and can be purchased separately, so it's easy and simple to replace a corroded drain strainer or update the grid strainer without removing the lav drain. Never again do you have to see an ugly corroded grid strainer or stoppers in the bottom of your sink. And the grid strainer prevents clogs and jewelry and other objects from entering the drain. The drain can be easily snaked from above by removing the grid strainer. The IdealLav features easy one-piece drop-in installation. Traditional lav drain bodies are made of 2 or 3 pieces. It's tough to join the top of a traditional lav drain that is installed through the sink drain hole with the bottom of the lav drain that is installed under the sink drain hole. The one-piece IdealLav drops right through the top, making it very easy to install. The residential IdealLav features an internal stopper that is located below the grid. The stopper allows the sink to hold water overnight. The commercial version does not include a stopper, and it is ideal for public restrooms. And it comes in multiple materials and finishes. The IdealLav is available in cast brass or plastic. The grid strainer that is included with the IdealLav is available in chrome, wrought iron, also known as matte black, brushed nickel, or oil rub bronze. The IdealLav includes all the additional components of a traditional lav like lift rod and gaskets and nuts. And the IdealLav is available at your local plumbing wholesalers. Thanks for watching. Hope you found it helpful. I'm Scott Sims with Plumbing Tips.